go. Do it right there.
Hit it hard. There you go.
Step up closer.
Hit it hard.
Step up closer if you need to.
Yeah, you can get closer.
Big swing. Bring that hammer up high. There you go.
Get
Yeah.
that anvil ring.
Get that baby going. All right, let's get another heat on that. All right.
I'm trying to flatten the tip out.
Doing great.
That's right. We're drawing a taper right now. So.
What did you say?
Yeah.
What did I say? I don't know. What did I
Because
say?
if my wife buys a new toy and she doesn't use it, I'm going to play with it.
And to get some pictures of Andrew's making his nail.
It's not a nail. It's just something.
It's just a something.
I don't know.
He doesn't want to make a nail. He wants to make something.
Yeah, nails are useful.
A nail would be fun.
what I think.
You've got somebody here, Anders, who would help you make a nail, and that would be more than I have ever made.
What?
Because I've never been able to make a nail.
Hey,
I think like nails it looks terrible.
Maybe I should turn this on.
Then
So
you
one
can
of
make
the
something
first
else
things
with the nail
you
that you
could
made.
make if you want to learn to
I'm
make
pretty
nails,
pleased
you
with
make
the
a
striker I
punch,
made last year.
you make a
Spring,
heading
this year.
die, and then you make a cutoff. And with those three things, you can make nails.
Nails are important.
Yes, they are.
Did you ever hear that there's a poem about the want of a nail, the horse was lost?
The shoe was lost.
The shoe was lost for one of a shoe. The horse
Andrew,
was
are you
lost.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here it comes.
For one of a
Okay, go ahead.
battle was lost.
The rider was lost.
Move it.
You gotta trust your help. You gotta trust.
Okay, we gotta get another heat.
Trust your helper.
Doesn't help when they do stuff like that.
Yeah, I can't help it. It's in my DNA. I
Especially
just,
not
you know,
at the formative age.
you're doing great.
It's all about control too, Andrew, not power.
This is true. Well,
You know,
sometimes
in
you
a
need
lot
the
of
power.
little old time villages, the guy who was the blacksmith was almost the leader of the town.
Very important member of the
First
community.
dentists, first surgeons. Yeah.
What is the mallet for?
I think that, well, the big one's going to be used for pounding the iron sponge when it comes out of the
What
furnace.
is it? That one?
The big one that
I
was
think
up
I
by
should
the...
switch to a better hammer.
Okay, that one's bigger,
You
heavier.
can go with that one? All right.
I think it's easier.
Okay, you ready? It's a nice short handle on that. You ready? All right, this time I'll stay in one spot.
Blacksmithing is hard.
Yep.
Andrews, I think you're making
But-
a nail.
All right.
But
Okay, hold on. Well,
I'm not.
Yeah, you
one
are.
of one
No,
of
I'm
the
not.
You are. I know what it looks like.
I'm
Anders,
not
Yep.
making a nail.
Anders, do you know what one of the best parts about it is that you can say it's hard, but it makes you have really big muscles.
It's true.
that's right.
Or at least really
I
strong
can already
muscles.
see him growing through that shirt. Look at this. Man.
Tor kind of broke
Let's
the
see,
whole
make a
image
muscle.
of the
Can you
big
make a
buff
muscle?
blacksmith to me
Let's
because
see it. Ready?
And you know
Oh
what?
my
He's
God,
wiry.
man. I'm
Yeah.
gonna stand back.
It probably isn't going
I wouldn't want
Probably
to tussle with him in a dark alley, but
girls like really
With
big muscles.
who?
That's right.
Tor.
Why?
There you go.
If he would just win.
he's super strong. Actually, I think he was complaining about being out of shape because he hasn't had enough
I
time in
don't
the
know
forge.
anybody. I don't think I've ever seen
Torvald?
anybody
Yeah,
who's
working a
able
desk
to
job.
do blacksmith.
Okay, I
Well,
got.
This could be your journeyman.
Can I get this one
First
super
started
hot?
when he was 18 months.
I bet I can flatten
Started
it.
when he was
in
18
one
months
go.
old.
Yeah, you just want to flatten it?
Was it a wood hammer?
I
I'm
think
making a
he's-
nice point on it right
Yeah,
now.
I think he's
No,
going to help
I'm
you.
not.
Just think, Anders, if you
You
had
ready?
a nail like that, then
Here it
we
comes. You
could-
ready?
Yeah,
All right.
I'm ready.
I could give
Go
you
for it.
a Duke block, and you could pound the nail into the wood, and we could use that as a piece of art.
Keep
Keep
hammering.
going. Keep going while it's
Keep
going.
going while
I'm
it's
just
still
gonna
hot.
move it under the hammer for you. There you
There
go,
you go.
big blow.
Get it.
Try to make it hard.
There you
Nice.
go.
There we go.
I'm blacksmithing.
Keep
You
going.
are. You are
You
black.
totally are. Good job.
You ready to take a little breather? Okay. Let's
Yeah.
get back on
I'm
that.
making a rod, kinda.
Yep, you're drawing a rod out.
It's called a taper. What you're doing right now is you're drawing a taper. Is what that's called.
What's a taper?
Making a point.
A taper. This is a taper. See this?
How it gets pointy.
How it's pointy at the end, right here. It's thicker here, and it gets pointier here. That's a taper.
When the metal
Trying
gets
to make it-
thinner and thinner.
Trying to
toward
make
the
it
end.
Trying to make a sword.
a sword-like thing.
A sword-like thing. Okay.
I'm trying to make it like I'm trying to make like some kind of blade.
Oh, a blade. Well, okay. We'll keep it in one plane so you can make it nice and flat. Okay.
Even give him a
I'm
cane or
trying to
something.
make some. I don't know what I'm trying to make.
You know what? A nail, the reason they start you out with a nail is it teaches you all kinds of good techniques. And then you've got something useful at the end and it looks cool. How many...
I'm
You want to come and try?
I'm not
You wanna
very
try?
good at it, but
Oh, you're doing just fine. You ready, Anders?
yeah.
You ready to make
Uh-huh.
this thing flat?
After it gets a bit hot.
We're gonna make it flat?
Yeah,
need
I
someone to
just
step
need
in
to
for
You
it.
ready? You ready? You sure?
Sure.
All right, man. Here it comes. All right, do it.
Yeah.
Flatten
Hit it.
that.
Get it.
Yeah, buddy.
There you go.
Make it flat.
I'm trying to make it a wait.
Going.
Keep going.
You're making it into a blade.
Heat will wait for no man.
You know, if you move one of your hands
All right.
down on the handle, you might be able to get it up a little easier.
What do you think? It's looking pretty good.
Yeah,
We're getting
hold it
there.
like that.
I have it like this.
That's a good way to
Yep.
rest.
Oh, the hammer tip does get hot if you keep hitting that hot metal.
Yeah, don't let it touch your cheek.
I've even seen Tor make that mistake. Well, not the cheek, but
You may not, you don't want to hurt your finger.
Sure don't.
Kind of like
it was a
this.
lot of fun.
Oh, good.
He wants to make a knife or a knife-like thing.
A knife-like thing is a good place to
Yeah, I
start.
feel like the former is probably going to be the closer.
Take a little time.
I also want to make a knife.
So
But I
this
wanna
dog has been around fire his whole life. How old do you think he is?
How old?
Take a guess.
5.
5? Is that because you're 5? Is that why you said that? Yeah.
How old is he?
He's 14.
I was off by 2.
Here we go. Okay, it's hot. Get it.
Go for
Go
it.
after it.
Boom.
Go, go, go.
Come on.
I'm hitting the hottest.
All
Yep.
right.
That's the good spot
That's
to
a
hit.
good spot.
That's it. Go.
Keep
go,
it going.
Go. Go, Anders. Go. Go.
I just go.
Look at it. It's getting flatter every time.
Good job.
Man,
Hey.
I'm
Hey.
blacksmithing!
that's right. All right, one more. All right, well, that almost worked. Okay. So let's
You must
see.
have moved it.
Are we almost to the point where you want to cut it off, or what do you want to do here? What's your thought?
I'm trying to make it.
I'm-
I'm trying to make, and then after this, I want to make a tool for
Tool for Tor.
Where's Tor?
You could make him a back scratcher.
No, like something if he gets his anvil dirty with chips like those.
Oh.
Like this.
Something
Do
to
that?
brush his anvil with.
Yeah.
See, that's the
like,
tool for that.
it's just a handle.
And your hands could look like that too.
It's just a handle.
Tor, he wants to make a tool for you, so you need to maybe help him figure out what that is.
It's something that I want to use it to be have like help you clean this.
Yeah, and then we'll make a broadsword.
You did say you wanted to make a sword-like object.
Seriously? That's amazing.
Okay, oh, this one's hot, hot, hot.
Haha,
Hey, go-
You
good.
don't want that getting you,
Go,
so.
go, go, go.
Ooh, that's a
Look
heat.
at that. Go for it. Go for it. You're doing it. That's it.
I'm smashing.
Straighten it out. There we go. Look at that. We straighten that baby. There we go.
Uh-oh.
No, not that part. Hit it over here, right there.
Hey.
No, don't worry about that. Just hit it right there. Okay, now give it one smack. Right there. There we go. One more right there. There we go. All right. Let's take a look at that. Can I borrow your hammer for a second? I'm just gonna straighten her out a little.
I'm switching between. I'm switching to a bigger hammer.
Oh man.
I'm trying to flatten it better.
Well, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a second and I'm gonna cut this off and I'm gonna turn it around and you can forge the other end of it. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So take a break for a second. I'm gonna get you
Set the handle.
get you dialed here.
Put your weight on.
Let's see where are those.
Okay, put
Hit it hard. There you go.
Ah!
There you go. Yell at it.
Small plastic container maybe.
Hit it. Bring that hammer up high. There you go. Yes, there we are. There's a. Hey, look at this. Look at this.
Eyes on the iron.
Okay, look. Watch where you're going with it. Big swing. Up high. There you go. Again.
Going.
All right, let's get some heat on that. We're almost done. We're gonna do 2 more heats, and then we're calling it done.
Are you wearing down?
Think you can do that? 2 more heats? I think you can.
Yeah, mine will put that hammer down. Flex the
How do you
muscle.
weld it?
That's right.
Oh, you want to weld now too?
I feel like a sea shanty is in order, or some sort of a shanty.
I don't know any.
Yeah, why
I don't
is he
either.
not here? He's back from Vegas.
No, he's in Montreal.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, you ready, Anders?
That's right.
Start to go fast here. You ready? Okay. Do it. Make it count. Oh, there you go. Right there. Go. Big swings. Big high. Up. There we go. Up high. There we go. Come closer to me with those hammer blows. There we go. Perfect.
Is it a nail?
No. You didn't want to make a nail.
What is it?
I don't know. It's an object.
It's a
You said
something.
you wanted to make an object. So this, you can make a butter knife out of this or something. Your dad will help you figure it out. Okay, 1 more heat and we'll be good.
Identified metal object.
Right? Knife-like object.
I made the first time I played on the forge. Tor tried to teach me how to draw out a square taper.
Oh yeah.
That lasted about 1.5 heats.
Yeah.
But I ended up with a very long, round-ish thing,
On fires.
which was pointy on one end, which is kind of cool.
So
And then I was studying South Asian religion in undergrad, and I realized that a lot of the old scrolls, they would actually scratch into this, like a palm fiber, and brush graphite into the scratches for their writing. It's like I made an actual writing implement without knowing what I was doing.
So, how did you wind up with a round stock?
It was not round, it was roundish.
Puppy.
Okay.
Okay, you guys ready? Here's the final heat. Anders,
I'm ready for the
Let's-
final heat.
do the
no,
dogs
they're
know what's
sniffing
going on?
each
All
other.
right,
I
here we
actually
go.
like Anders.
Okay, do it.
Go.
Go, go.
Okay, walk across the blade there. Keep in the same spot. Keep hitting.
Keep the hammer in the
Big.
same spot.
Yep.
She can do it.
So Anders, when he moves the
Okay,
metal,
let's stop.
when he moves the metal, you
All
gotta
right, let me take a little.
keep the hammer in the same spot.
Just gonna flatten that out for you a little bit there.
I'm tired.
I thought you might
You
be.
are almost
You're
done.
doing
You
good.
were-
Bhakti, would you quench that, please?
You were working hard.
I wish I could quench
Look
that.
at that.
Oh, do you want me to heat it back up so you can quench it?
Yeah.
Oh,
All
there we
right, all right.
And after I do one last
Just-
pound.
Well, are you sure?
Or is that done pounding?
Oh, I don't know,
Pretty
buddy.
rounded, yeah.
It's kind of perfect the way you made it there. We'll heat it up and then you can go stick it in the bucket. Just make sure you don't poke the plastic with it.
Yep.
Don't go anywhere. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, take it and go push that right in the bucket. Straight into the water. Straight into the water.
water,
No
down in the
plastic.
middle. There you go.
Right in, all the way. Put
All the
those
way in,
tongs in.
down the water. Don't
Swish
touch
it
the
around
sides.
like you're stirring it.
Yep, yeah, not touching the bottom.
Okay, let me check it for you. Make sure it's not hot. No! I'm just kidding. Okay, ready? Hold on, let me pop that off. All right. There you go.
You made that on
Man, high five. On the side.
Oh.
Down low. Oh, man. All right. You were pretty quick there. All right. Oh, you're going to clean that?